Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Dyson filter is probably one of the most overlooked yet absolutely crucial components for maintaining optimal air quality and extending the life of your beloved Dyson vacuum or air purifier, ensuring that every breath you take at home is cleaner and healthier, making this seemingly small part a giant in home wellness that directly impacts your family's well-being and the longevity of your investment. Truly a silent guardian of your indoor environment. Number 5. Leemone 2-in-1 Filter for Dyson Air Purifiers. This 360° Combi glass HEPA and carbon filter is designed for a perfect fit. It is compatible with many Dyson Pure Cool, Pure Hot Cool Cryptonic, and Humidify Cool Air Purifier models, ensuring seamless integration. Please note, it is not compatible with all Dyson models. Always double-check your machine's model number on the bottom or side before purchasing to ensure correct fit. This innovative 360° Combi glass filter combines both HEPA and carbon filtration into one convenient piece. This integrated design makes installation and maintenance simpler than ever before. Its true HEPA component captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, removing pet dander, pollen, and dust. The activated carbon filter effectively absorbs household odors from smoking, pets, and cooking, ensuring fresher air. Crafted from premium H13 true HEPA materials, this filter ensures top-tier performance. Its carbon component is sourced from FSC-certified charcoal powder, highlighting its commitment to quality. Remember to disconnect power before installation and place the strap upward. After replacing it, a crucial reset is needed for your machine to recognize it. Refer to user instructions for proper installation, especially if switching from a two-part filter system. Should you encounter any quality issues, our 24/7 customer service team is ready to assist you. We are committed to promptly addressing and resolving any concerns you may have. What we like. This filter offers a convenient 2-in-1 design, combining HEPA and carbon filtration into one unit. It's perfect if you're looking for simplified maintenance without compromising on air quality. If you want to tackle both airborne particles and household odors efficiently, this is an excellent choice for your purifier. What people say. Number 4. Leemone 360° Combi 2-in-1 HEPA+Carbon Replacement Filter. Introducing the Leemone 360° Combi 2-in-1 filter, designed specifically for your Dyson purifier. This high-quality replacement ensures your air remains clean and fresh. It's perfectly compatible with numerous Dyson Pure Cool, Pure Hot Plus Cool, and Humidify Plus Cool models. Please check your machine's model number to ensure a precise fit. This brand new 360° Combi glass filter integrates both HEPA and carbon filtration into a single unit. This design makes installation and maintenance incredibly convenient for you. Its premium H13 true HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It effectively cleans pet dander, pollen, and dust from your environment. The activated carbon component efficiently absorbs various household odors. Say goodbye to smells from smoking, pets, and cooking fumes, leaving your home smelling clean. Crafted from premium H13 true HEPA materials and FSC-certified charcoal powder, this filter ensures superior performance. You can trust its quality for long-lasting air purification. Remember to disconnect power and reset your machine after installation for proper recognition. If you had a two-part filter previously, remove both before installing this combined unit. What we like. This option boasts broad compatibility with many Dyson Pure Cool, Hot Plus Cool, and Humidify models. If you own multiple Dyson purifiers or are unsure about specific model numbers, its extensive fit makes it a safe bet. Its H13 true HEPA and FSC-certified carbon ensure top-tier filtration for a wide range of users. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source data was empty. Number 3. Lemige replacement filters for Dyson DC41 DC65 up 13 up 20 up 30. Is your Dyson vacuum losing its edge? These premium replacement filters are designed to restore its powerful suction and maintain a cleaner home environment. They are perfectly compatible with a wide range of Dyson models, including DC41, DC65, DC66, up 13, up 20, and up 30 series. Ensure your model is listed for a perfect fit. These filters also fit various Dyson Ball Animal models like Ball Animal 2, Ball Animal 3, and their complete or extra versions. Please verify your vacuum model before ordering. Experience high-performance filtration. They efficiently block fine particles, dirt, and pet dander, capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns. Each package includes one post-filter and one pre-filter, both made from high-strength materials. They are reusable and washable, ensuring optimal and long-lasting performance. Should you have any questions or need assistance, our team is ready to help. We are committed to providing premium products and efficient customer service. What we like. Unlike the previous air purifier filters, this package provides both pre- and post-filter specifically for Dyson DC41, DC65, and Ball Animal Vacuum Series. If you're looking to fully refresh your compatible Dyson upright vacuum's filtration system, this complete set is ideal. Its washable and reusable design also offers great long-term value and easy maintenance. What people say. The filter replacement effectively captures airborne particles, significantly improving indoor air quality. It features a precise construction that ensures a seamless fit and straightforward installation into the Dyson purifier. Number 2. Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Cordless Vacuum. Experience the incredible cleaning power of this device. It's engineered to tackle even the toughest dirt and debris with ease. From carpets to hard floors, it adapts to every surface. This machine ensures a thorough deep clean throughout your entire home. Say goodbye to tangled wires and restricted movement. Its cordless design allows you to clean every corner without interruption. When it's time to power up, it only takes 3.5 hours. You'll be back to cleaning in no time. In boost mode, it delivers an impressive 151 air watts of suction. This ensures no mess is too big for it to handle. What we like. This is not a filter, but a complete cordless vacuum cleaner, offering powerful Dyson suction for deep cleaning. If you're in the market for a brand new, highly versatile vacuum that can tackle various surfaces without being tethered to an outlet, this model is a top contender. Its strong performance and cordless convenience make it perfect for active households. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. Dyson V11 V15 Detect Vacuum Filter 3-Pack. These filters are precisely engineered for your V11 Animal, Torque Drive, Absolute, and V15 Detect cordless vacuums. They ensure seamless compatibility with models like SV14, SV15, SV17, SV22, and SV28, replacing part #9700013-02. Always check product images to confirm it's the right fit for your specific model. Utilizing high-efficiency HEPA technology, they effectively capture dust, pet hair, and microscopic particles. This advanced filtration promotes a cleaner, healthier home environment for you and your family. Designed for convenience, these filters are both washable and reusable. For optimal performance, simply clean them every 2 to 3 weeks and replace them every 2 to 3 months to maintain peak efficiency. This value pack includes 3 true HEPA filters and a bonus brush, providing 12 to 18 months of maintenance. Their OEM-engineered seals ensure 210 AW suction with 0 air leaks, keeping your vacuum performing like new. Installation is incredibly simple, requiring no tools at all. Just follow the step-by-step guide shown in the product images to quickly replace your old filter. What we like. This option provides a fantastic value with a 3-pack of replacement filters for Dyson V11 and V15 cordless vacuums. If you own one of these specific high-performance cordless models and want to ensure consistent, advanced HEPA filtration for an extended period, this multi-pack is a smart investment. Its easy maintenance and OEM-engineered seals help keep your vacuum performing like new. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.